Welcome back to Synaptic Dividends. Here we're all about breaking down great dividend stocks to help you build that passive income portfolio. So if that's your goal, hey, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss an idea.
All right, so today we're looking at a company that kind of flies under the radar for a lot of people, West Pharmaceutical Services. Now, these guys are a super important supplier in the drug industry, and get this, they are a true dividend aristocrat. But the real question is that famous dividend payout of theirs actually unbreakable? Or is there maybe a hidden risk we should know about? Let's dive into the numbers and find out.
Okay, so to get our answer, we're going to put this dividend through a little three-point inspection. And first up, the big one, right? How secure is that payout right now?
And to figure that out, we're going to look at my absolute favorite metric, the free cash flow payout ratio. Now, don't let the name scare you. It's actually super simple. Think of it just like your own personal budget. After a company pays all its essential bills, keeping the lights on, investing in the business, this number tells us what percentage of the cash that's left over goes to paying the dividend. And what we want to see here is a nice low number. That's a great sign.
So, what's the number for West Pharmaceutical? Are you ready for this? It's an incredibly low 17.5%. Wow. Let's put that in perspective for a second. That means for every single dollar of cash they have left over after running the business, they're only sending about 17, maybe 18 cents out to shareholders. The rest? That's just a giant cash cushion that protects the dividend and helps fuel future growth. I mean, that is just an incredibly safe level.
Okay, so we've established the dividend is super safe today. That's check number one. But a truly great dividend needs a history, right? A solid track record. So for our second checkpoint, let's see just how reliable this company has been at rewarding its investors over the long haul.
And honestly, this one number says it all, 32. That's right, West has increased its dividend for 32 consecutive years. That doesn't just happen by accident. That puts them in that really elite group of companies we call dividend aristocrats. And believe me, that is a track record that very, very few businesses ever manage to achieve.
So what does that actually mean for you as an investor? It's not just about getting a check in the mail. It's about getting a pay raise from your investment every single year for over 3 decades. You just can't fake that kind of consistency. It builds an incredible amount of trust.
All right, now for the ultimate stress test. A long track record is one thing, but how does this dividend hold up when the world feels like it's falling apart? We're going to see how it performed under pressure during 2 of the biggest economic crises of our lifetimes.
And just look at these numbers. It's pretty amazing. During the global financial crisis back in 2008 and 2009, a time when so many companies were just slashing their dividends left and right, West increased theirs by over 7% and then almost 7% again. Okay, so then you fast forward to the COVID-19 pandemic, right? Another period of just massive uncertainty. And what did they do? The exact same thing. They boosted the payout over 6% in both 2020 and 2021. This isn't just about surviving. This is about thriving when things get tough.
So, we've put West Pharmaceutical's dividend through our 3-point inspection. What's the final word? What's the verdict?
Well, let's just recap what the numbers told us. 1, it's ultra safe, using just a tiny piece of the company's cash flow. 2, it's got a proven history. We're talking 32 straight years of increases. And 3, it's absolutely battle-tested. It didn't just survive the 2008 and 20 crises, it grew right through them.
So yeah, based on every key metric we've looked at today, the numbers are crystal clear. West Pharmaceutical's dividend? It's the real thing, no question about it. Now, if you want to go deeper and really understand the full business model behind these incredible numbers, you should check out our long-form analyses over on our main channel, Synaptic Investing. And of course, if you found this little breakdown helpful, a like is always appreciated, and be sure to subscribe for more dividend deep dives just like this one. Thanks for watching.